Hey, yo, what up, y'all? Terry Warfield. Y'all, hope you're having a good day so far. If this is your first time here, a big fat welcome to you. And if you're part of the fam, you're part of the squad, you came back, yo, welcome back, man. I gotta send a quick thank you to all y'all real quick. We are almost at 13.3 thousand. I hate calling people subscribers. I don't like that name. 13.3 thousand people in the squad and the family, man. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Let's keep this going. I know why you here. This is why I'm here too. The iPhone 12 Pro, the gold one. I know everybody else got the blue ones and all that crap. Listen, I had to go with the gold. It's been a while since I had an iPhone. I know a lot of y'all know me for mostly being like a film, photography, camera gear review type of guy. But when I was watching the iPhone 12 Pro announcement, and I was like, what? Dolby Vision? What? 10-bit? In the phone? Yeah, I had to go ahead and snatch one of them bad boys up, and it just arrived today. Like I said, it's been a few years since I have used an iPhone, but I'm gonna tell y'all why I switched to it from my Android phones, because typically I'm an Android guy. Not that I have anything against iOS, because I got a MacBook Pro and an iPad Pro as my two main creative editing tools, but we'll get into all of that after the unboxing. Y'all ready? Because I'm ready. I've been waiting on this all week. Let's get it. All right, y'all ready to unbox the gold edition iPhone 12 Pro. This is the box, and I gotta admit, the box is damn sexy. I ain't even gonna lie about it. It's nice and thin, and it's thin because we know it ain't nothing in this box except for a cable in the phone. Great job, Apple. But without further ado, let's go ahead. Get that out of here. Okay, I like that. That's pretty, man. That is a nice box. Let's open it. Woo! Da-na-na-na. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, listen. This is mad shiny. I ain't gonna lie. In the box, the freaking cable. Get that out of here. Listen. This is mad shiny. A lot shinier than I expected. Get that out of here. So this is what it looks like, man. It is shiny. It feels extra premium. I ain't gonna lie. Look at the way that's glistening right there. Let's have a walk around. Here's the new antenna, the power button, that triple camera array, the volume buttons, mute switch, and check that out. Good old lightning crap. Come on, man. Y'all putting USB-C in everything else. Why can't we get USB-C in this bad boy? Now listen, I'm not gonna lie, man. This looks and feels extra premium. It is extra shiny, but this is the gold one, in case y'all been wondering what the gold looks like. Overall, a very nice looking joint. I'm gonna get this bad boy set up, and then let's talk about why I decided to get an iPhone 12 Pro. Let's go. All right, so now that we got that unboxed, let me tell y'all why I decided to go for the gold. Number one, I kind of talked about it already, but number two, why I even decided to go back to iPhone, because like I said, typically I appreciate Android, even though I do love iOS too and macOS, but I tend to appreciate Android just a tad more because of the level of customization and things that you can do. I also appreciate iOS for the continuity, for the way things work, how smooth they are, how reliable they are, and most importantly, AirDrop. AirDrop is the main driving factor on why I'm switching back to iPhone. So I will always keep my Android phones in the cut. I got like 4 Android phones in the house right now, including the new Google Pixel 5 5G, which is an amazing Android phone, but I still miss AirDrop because when I'm working on my MacBook, when I need to transfer something to my iPad, and then I edit it on my iPad, let's say a photo for Instagram, for example, and then I want to send that to myself. I am getting sick of having to use Google Photos or emailing myself or Bluetoothing myself pictures. AirDrop just works so reliably. Or when I have a video clip that I'm working on the computer and I want to send that to my iPad to then send a clip of that to Instagram, I'm just sick of connecting my phone to the computer with a USB cable and finding all of these different ways to go about transferring my files to get them to my phone. So that is my primary reason why I'm switching back to iPhone. Number two, Android phones typically just don't cut it when it comes to cameras. They always promise a lot, they always under-deliver. The only one that gives a consistent experience across the board is the Google Pixel, but then the Pixel falls behind in video. And I want something where I don't have to carry two phones because my Android phone can't get the job done. And I know they're getting better and better, but iPhones are typically the best of both worlds. Best in class mobile video and a really good photo camera. And I would just prefer to have all of that stuck in one freaking phone that I can take with me. The last reason that I decided to snag the iPhone 12 was for this new Dolby Vision 12-bit, all of that scientific nerd junk. I wanted it. I wanted it bad. And I'm gonna have it. And I'm gonna drop more videos with the iPhone 12 Pro, showing off the video capabilities. Y'all know I like the sauce, the cinematic stuff, so I'm gonna be doing some of that. But those are the reasons why a long-term Android user finally decided to switch back to iPhone. And I feel like the iPhone 12 was the perfect phone to do it, even though I feel like Apple did skimp out on some stuff with this phone. Yo, I'm sick of Lightning, right? Put me a freaking charger brick in the box. I understand the initiative, but I'm paying $1,000 for this. I want my charger brick, understand me? But neither here nor there. I appreciate the innovation. I'm excited to start using my iPhone. All of my creative friends and all of my people that I work with all have iPhones, and I'm really getting sick of getting teased about the green bubble. And I know that's stupid, first world problems, but I got my iPhone back. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Like I said, there's more content coming soon. In the meantime, if you like this, make sure you subscribe, drop a comment and a like. I appreciate y'all so much. So till next time, that's all I got for you. Peace and chicken grease. Terry Warfield, I'm out. Peace.